Hi, welcome to Glow's Kinder Kitchen, and I'm Glow. Well, today we're making dinner, and we're having mashed potatoes and meatloaf for dinner, along with a couple other sides. And one of the sides I'm making is carrots. And how I'm going to do these is I'm going to steam these in the microwave, and I'm going to be adding some seasonings to them that will go well with what we're preparing. So before I steamed, you guys came on, I peeled 3 carrots, medium size, and I cut them, I'm going to show you, about like that. And then I'm going to add some salt to them, about half a teaspoon. That's all you have to do. And there's about 1/4 cup of water in the bottom of this dish. And I'm going to go ahead and put this in my microwave and microwave it on power level 7 with my microwave for about 3 minutes. And then we'll be back to see what it looks like. Well, our carrots were cooking in the microwave for 3.5 minutes, and I thought I'd show you what they look like. They're not quite done yet. They're about halfway through. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to add about a tablespoon, not quite a tablespoon, of butter. You could use olive oil too if you'd want to do that instead. I'm going to add a little bit of nutmeg. One of the reasons I'm doing nutmeg in this tonight is I have nutmeg in not only my meatloaf, but now I'm going to have it in this. And I'm also making another side, which is cabbage, that's going to have a little nutmeg in it too. I find that when I am doing sides that go with the main dish, I try to get it so that everything blends well together and doesn't, cause you to not like one vegetable over another. They blend. So maybe I'm going to put just one more dash of the nutmeg. And then I have lemon pepper. And this lemon pepper goes really well with carrots. So I'm going to go ahead and put some of that in. And this does have a little sugar in it, not a lot. I'm going to do one more dash. And you just do that to taste. So I'm going to go ahead and cook these probably about another 3 minutes on power level 7, and I'll be back. Well, our carrots are through, I believe, and we'll check them here and see. They cooked an additional 3.5 minutes, so that's a total of 7 minutes for these on power level 7 in my microwave. And I can smell the lemon, I can smell the pepper, and also a hint of nutmeg. And I'm going to go ahead and try this and just see what it's like. Oh, these are delicious. You can taste the carrot. The carrots are nice and sweet. You can taste a little bit of that butter and the hint of the nutmeg and the lemon. It brightens it right up. It's going to go really well with our dinner tonight with the meatloaf and mashed potatoes and also the cabbage. Whoops, and that's the buzzer for our meatloaf to check that. I'll talk to you later. I hope you have a wonderful evening. And if you've enjoyed this, please like and subscribe to our channel. We would really appreciate it. Bye.